She is known for her penchant for jewelry. The underlined word means, is it A, aversion, B, dislikes, C, avoidance, or D, fondness? Very good. Pamigay. That is fondness. Okay, pag sinabi kasi nating aversion, dislikes, avoidance, synonymous lang po yung mga words na yan, which are closely associated with something that we avoid, something that we don't like or we hate. Okay? Ayan. Number 15 is letter D, fondness. Pag sinabi kasi nating fondness, is kagustuhan. Okay? You like that thing. You admire it. Ayan. Ayan, lumabas daw po siya September 2024. Ooh, that's good to hear. No, kasi po, pinakita ko siya tonight. Ayan. So, penchant. O, at least, meron na kayong sure item, no? Sana lalabas uli siya. Number 15 is letter D, fondness. Ito po, please take note of this or you can take a screenshot of this. Ayan po, no? Pwede nyo rin pong isulat. But also, of course, it's recorded so you can watch it later. Ito po yung mga common vocabularies or words na lumabas na po sa board exam before. Ayan. So, during my time when I was preparing, how did I digest these words? I use it in a sentence. So, tinatandaan ko siya, gumagawa po ako ng sentence para matandaan ko siya. Or it's either I am using flashcards. Okay. So, ganun po, no? Para mas madali natin siyang matandaan.